I'm at school. I'm about to crochet. I'm gonna record that, so watch out for that video. And I made it to school. Let me show you guys. I'm at school. So yeah, nobody here right now. I just came somewhere quiet to record until class starts. I'm gonna get a coffee and a muffin. I'll show you guys the coffee vending machine thing. But I'm just here. About to crochet a beret, so you guys see that video. It won't be a tutorial, but it will be, I guess, like a look and listen. I'll do a voiceover and explain to you guys what's going on, and then I'll show you guys my little school fit later. So yeah.
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend, be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I've got to be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend, be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend, be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me how the type of seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, you miss. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand.